How to appeal a ban in Call of Duty. There is a direct way on appealing a ban in Call of Duty, so in order to do that, let's jump right in. Open up a preferred web browser and go to the search box and type in support.activision.com/ban-appeal. Once you make the search, you'll end up in this page of Activision support. Here, you can submit a support ticket to appeal an account penalty. Now, scroll down and click on the Login to Continue button at the bottom. Enter your email address for your Activision account followed by its password and click on the Sign In button. Once you are signed in, from the same page, tap on Continue. Now, click on the Agree and Continue button at the bottom of the screen and then enter your account details. And then you'll be able to lift up any bans if detected. In my case, there is no ban detected, so it is showing me this kind of an interface. If you have any kinds of a ban that needs to be uplifted, you'll be able to explain why you feel the ban should be overturned. On the next page, follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to appeal a ban on Call of Duty Mobile. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.